Okay, we're getting into our 1989 190E build. This one's from Ireland. This is basically the EVO2. So he's getting the first one. This one's getting the body kit, engine swap, some interior stuff, but we can't go as wild as my car because the laws there are a lot more strict, even when it comes down to interior stuff. So it can't be that wild. So he's getting like a very
conservative-ish
sleeper version of my car for Ireland.
So you don't have a problem with putting like a body kit on it?
No, because it's sort of OEM style. So as long as they can reference it to something, then it's fine. But they don't want a lot of crazy stuff there. You got to kind of keep it on something that may have potentially been. I guess they hate custom cars.
Yeah, a lot of countries do.
Yeah, so I've heard that about like Germany.
Yeah, Germany. Yeah.
Stuff, so yeah, Ireland's kind of the same. So we got to keep it kind of tame. So we have Karim pulling all the motor and drivetrain out of it, so we can get prepped for putting the M113 in it. So this is the first stage, is getting rid of all the unnecessary stuff. So watch, follow.
Pulling the engine and then fitting up the new motor, trying to make all the new brackets and everything.
Oh, sweet. Okay.
Getting the rad out.
Getting all the fluids.
Yep. Yeah. Rad out, exhaust out. Well, we'll probably just be cutting the exhaust and then trans mount and so on, and then sliding it right out.
You're done with pretty much a lot of stuff.
Well, a lot of the electrical up top, obviously the radiator, starting to undo the trans coolers and basically anything just so we can start to basically pull it straight out. So everything up top will be done and we'll be going, put it on the hoist, go underneath, do the drive shafts and so on.
So is it getting a full interior or delete? I guess you can't delete the interior.
The interior's getting completely redone.
Okay.
So we'll probably do it similar to like the 2.5 with the fitted back seats, but we're putting Recaros in the front, redoing all the leather, basically refitting it, but kind of keeping it OEM plus. So that's the plan for this one. No roll cage, no wild harnesses, nothing like that, because they're not allowed to have it. So, and then it's getting the EVO2 kit, flares, side skirts, front and rear bumpers, no wing. I think we're gonna go with the EVO1 wing, so it's gonna be kind of a blend of everything.
Yeah.
So it should be pretty cool. It's a different take than mine, and we're actually doing the colorway in reverse of mine. So this one's going red with a black interior.
Oh, that's cool. Red on this would be pretty awesome. And then, like, what about like subframe, all of that stuff? Like,
subframe staying the same. He's getting all of our parts that we made. So tubular control arms, tubular rear control arms. We'll probably have to upgrade the diff, but we'll be using the stock diff just to upgrade the internals.
And we have two cars from Ireland. So that one is
that's a 2.516. That one we're repainting, taking care of all the mechanical on it and just refreshing it and sending it back as like a mild restoration. So
nice.
We might actually send that one first because we're gonna get into that one soon.
Yeah.
But we gotta get figuring out all the wild stuff for this one.
The exhaust just to make it easier to pull the motor. So we'll be cutting it here and removing it from the back, and that way there's not much interference when we start pulling the trans and so on. the drive shaft.
Nice.
So get that off the rear end so we can get the trans out.
How does it go?
Pretty good. Just trying to get the remainder of the, I think it's power steering left. And then really starting to get out the mounts for the trans-in motor.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. And then anything else left. Cutting the bolt out, stripped bolt, so that strip's spinning away.
That's
so we're just gonna be
mount?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, the one trans mount. So we got this guy to take off. One bolt's good, one bolt's not good. And then motor mounts, and we're gonna try to start lifting her out.
Awesome.
Yeah, exciting. So see how it goes in a few minutes here.
What's happening?
Well, we're basically set up to start pulling and see what's left.
Oh,
See the last-
perfect.
the final
Yeah,
things
there's
that we
always
haven't
that
done.
1%
Yep, there's always something.
of something.
So we'll start going up soon and see where we get to.
If it interferes with our progress, we're going to get the Sawzall or the grinder,
And send it.
send it.
But if it's wires, I don't know.
Oh, we'll still sending it. This thing's getting a full aftermarket
Chassis harness,
ECU,
okay.
full custom wiring harness anyways. Like literally nothing in this car is going to be here when we're done.
It's not even like the body harness.
No, man. Start from new.
Okay.
Updates, upgrades. Yeah, this car's it's not worth mucking around with that old stuff. Trying to patch in. Nah. Start over.
Okay, well, send it. Let's see what happens.
Thunder.
Oh, she's good to go already, boy. think we're looking pretty good, yeah. I don't see anything over here.
The only thing, possibly that exhaust. Might have to
Yeah.
cut it a little higher there.
Yeah, that's all right. Well, the engine's starting to come towards me over here. Hold it.
Yeah.
We're good. We're good. Come on. Doesn't this fire you up?
Pretty awesome.
Shifter cable or whatever that is. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Coming. Okay. You okay? There we go.
Nice.
One engine going back in here is a little bit bigger. We'll have to make some space.
A little bit higher on this side, please. Right there.
Okay. Go good on this side. Perfect. There we go. Woo! Dang, boys. You missed out, man.
Yeah,
You missed out on all the fun.
yeah. Dragging this guy out.
Yeah, but you know what? One of the silliest things I've ever seen in a car is this steering system. Look at how gigantic this is.
So do you swap it?
Yeah, get rid of it altogether.
Get rid of it. Nice.
Put a rack in it.
Nice. Up front here? Or do you leave it out back there?
We did a rear rack.
So maybe
It would be
doing a front rack on this one.
Yeah, I think maybe we might have to.
I guess it'd be difficult because the steering's so far back though. Yeah, the wheels, knuckles, and everything are so far back.
So we did a rear rack on Tim's EVO, and we made that whole system work. It's great, but a front rack would be better.
Irish Spider right there.
Oh, yo.
Now that the whole engine is out from this car, what is next
Next,
on our itinerary?
set the big boy in the hole, the M113, and then start connecting dots.
Oh, sick. Okay. We're not modifying the M113 anyway.
Not in this particular car. This one's going in OEM.
And if you guys don't know what an M113 is, it's a supercharged.
5 liter.
Yeah.
Out of CLS 55. I think this particular one's out of an SL 55. So the EVO 1 that we're doing, that one's getting the VRP speed, the big built boy.
Still makes almost 500 horsepower. A little bit more.
Like 4 or something,
Yeah,
and 500
490
foot-pounds.
yeah.
So it's going to be
This-
lots.
Yeah, the M113 is stock.
Yeah,
so
pretty
it's,
awesome.
it's a healthy engine. It's going to be more than enough for the 190 chassis. It's going to be super fun, very reliable, great engine. So
We should weigh the stock one.
We should weigh this.
Yeah. Oh, the car. Oh, without the engine in it.
I want to know power to weight when we're done.
Oh, okay.
well, it's just fascinating. Anyways, who doesn't want to know that?
It is fun.
You know, all the changes that we're going to make.
'Cause I think we took 800 pounds out of my car.
800. Oh my god.
With interior and sound deadening and all that stuff.
And your car, surprisingly enough, we weighed it with the twin turbo LS, and it's almost 50-50 front rear ratio, like just like that, without even really trying.
These motors are probably pretty heavy. The stock motors are pretty heavy.
Yeah, they got a lot of stuff.
Yeah, they got a lot of dirt on them.
Tell the people who you are.
Well, my name's Kareem Khan. I'm a local boy, you know, been working on cars for quite a while now, and yeah, been upgrading myself and came to Trick.
Sweet. So this is your first day here, and
First day here, we
you
pulled
pulled
the
the
motor
engine.
out of
Awesome.
this 190E, and yeah, we'll be fitting up that the
M113, yeah.
M113 supercharged motor in next.
Sick.
So, well, first
Awesome.
we'll be cleaning it up, making sure we got the room and everything, and then we'll be fitting everything up.
Noise.
Like this video, please, if you enjoyed watching it. If you want to see more of this video stuff that we do here on the daily, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell.
So this is going to be considered a build.
This is definitely a build.
if you don't know what we're talking about, check out our previous podcast, Modify with Trick Factory Customs, linked in bio.